Today, we're diving into the refreshing world of indoor herb gardening. Whether you have a green thumb or are new to the gardening scene, starting an herb garden indoors can be an exciting venture. Let's uncover the steps to ensure your indoor herb garden thrives. Firstly, selecting the right herbs is crucial. Not all herbs are created equal when it comes to indoor gardening. Opt for those that are well suited to the indoors, such as basil, parsley, rosemary, and cilantro. These herbs generally require less sunlight and are more forgiving if you're still adjusting to plant care. Choosing the right spot in your home is the next step. Herbs need a good amount of light to flourish. A windowsill that gets at least 6 hours of sunlight a day is ideal. If you're lacking in natural light, don't worry. LED grow lights can be a great investment to ensure your herbs get the light they need to grow. When it comes to soil, drainage is key. Use pots with drainage holes and consider a high-quality potting mix that's meant for herbs or vegetables. This ensures your herb roots won't be sitting in water, which can lead to root rot. Watering your herbs correctly is arguably one of the most important aspects of indoor gardening. The goal is to keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Overwatering is a common mistake. Touch the soil. If the top inch is dry, it's time to water. Each herb has its own watering needs, so observe and adjust as necessary. Finally, patience and care are your best tools. Regularly check your herbs for any signs of distress and adjust their care accordingly. Snip and use your herbs to encourage regrowth, but always leave enough leaves for the plant to continue its growth. In conclusion, starting an herb garden indoors can be a delightful addition to your home. Not only do you get the joy of tending to your plants, but you also gain the reward of fresh herbs at your fingertips. Remember, every plant is a learning experience, and over time, you'll become a more skilled and intuitive gardener. Thank you for watching. Embracing the journey of indoor gardening can significantly impact your cooking, well-being, and even your indoor air quality. So why not start your herb garden today? Happy gardening.